It's time for Magic Colors with Happy Bus. Oh, look, dear. Look at the city today.
Look at our friends, the trucks. They are all gray and dirty, too. We need to fix this. Look, look! It's the Magic Rainbow Car Wash. I know what to do. Come on, everyone. Follow me. Let's get clean and find some colors. First up is the fire truck. It's so gray. What color will it be? Let's wash it.
Splash! Wow! It turned bright red!
Yay! It's a shiny red fire truck. Red! Can you say red? Is the police car. It needs some magic too. Here we go.
Splish Splash! It's turning bright BLUE! A beautiful BLUE police car!
Good job! Blue! Comes the big garbage truck. It's very dusty and smelly. Into the wash.
Washy washy! Splash! It's G-Rien now!
Yay! A super clean GREN garbage truck. So fresh. Green! Now it's my turn. Yay! Rainbow bubbles!
Woohoo! I'm a shiny yellow Happy Bus. Yellow! We brought the colors back! Great job learning colors, everyone! See you on the next adventure! Bye-bye!
Subscribe to Happy Little World.